Everybody, welcome back. So since I did my first video, Seeking Darker Skies, I had a really tough time in that film getting the light exposure right for shooting 4K at 1/50th and 24p. I had a tough time managing that, and I realized, hey, I'm gonna need to put something. I'm gonna have to get something to solve this problem. And when I went and did the train video, when we went down to see the Union Pacific 4014, the video I shot, as you can see in this footage here, is extremely blown out, and it was kind of disappointing that I didn't have what I needed to pull off that shot the way I wanted to. I mean, the shot came out good, but it made it very challenging to get the exposures right. So I've solved this problem, and we're going to see what we got today. So after much research, looking online for the best solution, I knew I needed a variable ND filter, and there are several options out there. At first, just because of lack of budget and needing to save money for a family vacation we've got coming up, I was just going to get the Tiffin variable ND 77mm, which is my largest lens filter threads that I have. And I did a lot of research on that one, and then I started comparing other products, and I kind of figured out, if I'm going to spend $100 on this, I'd rather not spend it again later on. So I've been selling some stuff, trying to, bring my budget up to be able to afford something a little bit different. And I wasn't too keen on buying two of these filters because of the packaging that they come in. I didn't want to pay for that twice. I didn't want to pay for two boxes essentially. So I figured if saving $100, at least I'm not paying for that. And the other thought I had was when I ordered the combo box, what do you get exactly? So after finding Polar Pro's website having a Cyber Week sale, and the Peter McKinnon edition variable ND filters were on sale when you purchase both in a combo set. The combo set normally retails for $550, and they had it on sale for $450. I did not know if the filters came together in one box or they were in separate boxes still. And I figured, well, if they're on sale, hopefully at least you're not paying for that second box, I guess. I didn't know if it was, how they were going to do that. But turns out you do get two boxes. They're both separate boxes still. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to save the unboxing of the main package for the video because the box did come partially crushed. So we had to open it up when they came in just to make sure the contents inside were good before I signed for them. So in the box, you get two boxes unprotected from Polar Pro, and just another box and basically a simple packing slip. That was it. No other bubble wrap, nothing else to protect. These two boxes, which I know they make a big deal about the box on these. I was kind of surprised they weren't protected very well in the packaging they got shipped in, which unfortunately yielded in a little bit of a damaged box. And there, which also, when you open it, well, let me slide this open for you. Come on. There you go. Which unfortunately caused this little crack right here in the lid. So when you open up this wonderful box that they're so proud of, it's a little torn. It's a little torn right here and damaged. Now, I didn't buy these for the boxes. It's not a big deal to me. But they put a lot of effort into these, and I know it's part of their advertising marketing scheme about the box and the design. Kind of sucks that it was damaged, especially for like a resale value. New 2 to 5 stop variable ND from Polar Pro, Peter McKinnon edition, as well as a 6 to 9 stop variable ND Polar Pro, Peter McKinnon. This is the combo set when you buy it. When you order the combo set, they send you both packages. It's not in one. The only place I could find this combo set was on Polar Pro's website. I couldn't find it anywhere else. If you can find it somewhere else, let me know. Go ahead and open up this 6 to 9 stop. The difference between the two boxes is labeled 2 to 5 stop or 6 to 9 stop. Everything else is identical on them. And my 2 to 5 has a little damage on it too. Let's open this thing up. So, open the lid, get the photo. Got a little mat covering this spot. Have an empty hole here. A little threw me off for a second. Wasn't quite ready for that. And you've got this nice metal case. Well, plastic with a nice metal finish. Inside said case, magnetic. You get the little lens cap cover, the 2 to 5 stop variable ND. That's the inside element of the lens. You want to take this out of this case here. The 2 to 5 stop has the bronze finish to the glass. You can see it on both sides. Right now it's set on 5. Open it up to about 2 stops and around. The quality of this filter, to be honest, was a little bit of a letdown. The brass ring, although it looks very nice, it has like almost an unfinished look on the edges, where it just seems really rough cut. The 2 to 5 stop has a pretty nice smooth action to turning it. It does make noise. Hold up the microphone here and let's listen to that. You can hear it hit the stops. I wanted to be covered on all situations with these, so I got both. I haven't really had a chance to play with these yet at all, so we're gonna go test these things out a little later. The little plastic case or rubber boot lens cover works really well for securing it. Go ahead and put it back in its case. It's a nice little ridge it sits in and magnetically shuts. Just so you guys can see what else you have in the box with it. We have a card, a note of something, read that, and the soft case, carry case for it, which is actually really large. Just to show you, let me grab the filter real quick. I think I'll be using the metal case or the hard case versus the soft case just because of the size. So that's a 77 millimeter. That's a 77 millimeter filter, and you can see how big the case actually is. The case also does say 77 millimeter on it, or an 82 might be a bigger case. Got the Peter McKinnon signature on it. Let's see what this card says. Haven't opened this up yet. So, see what we have here. On the page, first thing you get, Polar Pro decal. Polar Pro decal. White and a black one. we have a lifetime warranty card and a little thank you card. They give you a reference chart in here showing you the stops and with the different ND levels. Case is magnetic. It's a nice box, but where are you going to keep this in a camera bag? Okay, this is essentially the exact same thing when you open it up. It's same photo, same black mat, same empty hole, and the hard case underneath. Same thank you card. Same little bag. The only difference is it says 6 to 9 stop. And both cases did also have the photograph microfiber. I don't think I'll ever be using that one. And I don't think I'll be using these soft cases. They should have I'm sure they make a bag that carries both of them. That'd be more convenient probably. Identical boxes, other than 6 to 9 stop or 2 to 5 stop. 6 to 9 stop hard case. We open it up. We have the same filter cap. And the difference between these, so you can visually tell right away, is this dark purplish blue color on the 6 to 9 versus the bronze color on the 2 to 5 stop. Just pry it out of there. This is 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the sound from the 6 to 9 stop. They are not silent by any means. Just be aware of that. 6 to 9, 2 to 5. The rubber caps are very helpful. Screwing them onto the lens, very easy with this cap. I did find that unscrewing it, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to get it to grab the traction on the unthread. The cases, I do like the hard case, has a really good feel to it. It's a nice product. I'm excited to try these things out. Try to get some good test footage tomorrow with them, see how they do. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope this video was useful for you in making a determination of what filters are best for you. I went with these filters knowing that they're going to be a product that's going to last me a long time and will perform for a very long time. I tried to include some information in this video that I found wasn't in the other videos, so I hope I can help you out there. And in the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. They're magnetically fighting each other.